Alright guys, so I just unplugged my camera by mistake and I lost all the footage for the last 15 minutes. So that sucks. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing another keyboard. This is the Tecware Spectre Pro. It's a keyboard from Tecware. We already reviewed a keyboard from them like 2 weeks ago. There was the Phantom L. If you haven't watched that video, I'll leave the video up there. You can go check it out if you want to. This is a full-size keyboard. This uses the Outemu switches, the red edition. You can get them in brown, blues, or reds. This keyboard is pretty cool because it has RGB all around the keyboard, as you can see in the picture right here. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to welcome you. On this channel, we review gaming products, tech products, PC products, all sorts of stuff that have to do with gaming and PC building. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So without further ado, let's get in this box, open it up, check it out, review it, and see how it feels. Let's go. This is it. It doesn't even feel like there's a manual, so that's alright. It's not at the end of the world. As you can see, you can get a braided USB-C to USB 2.0, so you can replace the cable and use any cable you want. With the keyboard, you also get 4 extra switches. As you can see right here, 4 extra switches. You get a key puller and a switch puller as well. Alright guys, so I just unplugged my camera by mistake and I lost all the footage for the last 15 minutes. So that sucks. But yes, I'll go over what you guys just missed. We just plugged in the keyboard. As you can see, it looks pretty incredible, to be honest. I love this backlit thing. It just looks really nice all around. It's gonna look really nice on my gaming mouse pad. As you can see, the RGB is pretty nice and very lit. There's also RGB around the corner right here. I don't know if you can see it, but overall it looks really, really good. But yeah, the things that I was gonna say is in the box, you get 4 Outemu switches, extra switches. Unfortunately, 2 of mine were bent, so you can see that the pins were bent. And taking the switch out was actually not hard at all. Taking the keys was actually not hard at all. As you can see, it's pretty easy. And taking the switches itself was not hard either. So you just gotta hold it and then we gotta switch out. So that was not hard at all. Usually when I try to take switches, some keyboards give me a little more trouble. From the same exact company, I reviewed a keyboard, which is actually right there. And taking a switch was nearly impossible. So with this keyboard, it was much easier to take a switch. And it might have been the switch itself, but I don't think so because I tried multiple switches and that was not happening. But yeah, overall, taking the switch is really easy. Keep in mind, to replace these switches, you gotta go with another Outemu switch. So you can go with the brown or blue or any other company that makes Outemu switches. Yeah, overall, this is how the keyboard looks. The RGB looks extremely nice, actually. It's going around the audio knob as well. The audio knob automatically connected to my PC, so you can control the audio right away. Overall, it feels really nice. The typing feels extremely nice as well. The lighting looks really good. I'll show you guys better shots here in a second. We'll go over a little bit of the functionality. So obviously the lighting mechanism is right here. So you can press FN key and then change the speed, change the mode. You can change the RGB mode right here. This will rotate through the RGB mode. There's also a software that you can download from Tecware to control the RGB on this keyboard. So that's really nice as well. The best part about this keyboard is the price. Usually this keyboard sells between $50 and $65. It's a very nice keyboard. It has tons of functionality. The keys feel really nice. The fact that there's RGB all around the bottom is really nice as well. Another nice feature is there's also 6 designated modes that you can actually modify on the software and on your PC. So you can change the modes and just toggle between the modes automatically. I'll give this keyboard 10 out of 10, to be honest. I don't have any complaints about it. It looks incredible. It types incredible. Feels real nice, pretty stable. Keep in mind the price is $65. The only negative thing is that you can only switch to other Outemu switches, not non-Outemu switches. So that's the only thing that I can think of that's not good. But other than that, it's pretty nice. But yeah, let's roll in some footage of the keyboard by itself in the dark. All right, guys, quick audio test going in. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button on this video. We truly appreciate it. And if you have any questions about the Spectro Pro keyboard, let me know in the comments or join the Discord server as well. They'll be in the description as well. If you're interested in buying this keyboard, I'll leave a link to Amazon and the description as well. How many as wells did I just say? Comment below. But yeah, that's it pretty much. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.